It's crazy out here. Woo! But you know what? When the weather is this bad, you really want to make sure you want to make a nice concoction in order to really save you from this bad weather. Even though the snow is in my feet right now and I'm freezing, I can't walk, and I'm so congested, I can't breathe, and I'm cold. But these things that I'm about to tell you are really gonna help you out. So don't forget this, all right?
Yeah, passion before desire. I've been away trying to build a wheel up. This life requires.
I got a little cold, so I'm just getting some stuff right now. Just caught me by surprise, the cold. I knew it was coming, but I just had to do better with it. So, I'm saying, red onions, throw that in the cart. I even need a bag for it. Green apples. There should be some green apples right there. And we got tomatoes, beef steak. This is a self-checkout. Self-checkouts right here. Go and try it anyway.
So I'm gonna move this up, okay?
Good to me. Yeah, we gotta go inside Stop and Shop. Gotta get everything else inside Stop and Shop. Alright, I'm about to get out of here because the line is way too long in this store. I can't do it. Y'all gotta see this. Hold on, y'all gotta see this shit. Let me show y'all something, man. Let me show y'all how long this line is. Yo, I'm not doing this. Mind you, I got stuff to do tonight. Check it. Y'all see that? Nah. That shit goes all the way to self-checkout. That's like an hour wait. I'm not doing that. Come on now. I'll be stupid to do that. I gotta go. Alright, well, it's super cold. Like, so cold here. But I finally got the van. See, there's a lot of space in there. So I got the wheel inside the back. About to go for a little drive or whatever, but it is so cold here. Like, damn. Yo, my hands are freezing, so I gotta make this clip short. Time to warm up. Gotta warm up and go for a drive. Damn, it's cold. Shit. It's crazy how they gave me the van with like only 22 miles left on the van. Now I gotta gas it up now. It's crazy.
Yeah, passion before desire. I've been away trying to build a wheel up. This life require slowly letting go to regain control. It's like ice to tires. Shit had me slipping. I turned the heat up, jumped in the kitchen. Renewed commitment, remove the waist and improved the writer. Took up the taxes, I brought a bag and straight from the Shire. Thank the Messiah, my shoulders heavy, my thoughts inspire. The shots been fired, you crossed the line and all love expires. I'm at that age where my peace of mind worth your life, and I wouldn't think twice about hella higher. My mind a million places.
Alright, so today marks one day before the storm. Sunday is gonna be crazy snowstorm, actually. Crazy snowstorm Sunday. So I'm here with the U-Haul right now to drive it. See, you know, last night I had it, and you know, I got it to where I needed to get it this time. So now I'm ready to drive it off again. But yeah, they saying it's gonna be a crazy blizzard. Like, this blizzard is gonna be like the craziest blizzard that we've seen in a long time. I'm hearing right now, like literally right now, it's about 11 degrees, I think, or 10. I'll check on my phone to double check. But saying, oh, 17 right now. That's not bad, 17. But I know definitely one of them days is gonna really go down even lower. But you know, I was sick though, and I think I told you I was a little sick. I had to constantly take a lot of vitamin C, ginger shots, turmeric shots. I ate a lot of fruits, tried to sleep. It's hard for me to sleep nowadays. I have too much on my mind. But yeah, I just took a lot of like natural foods. I took no medicine, by the way. Straight alkaline diet. Avocados, I ate oranges, I ate natural stuff. So I'm feeling better. I see the cold is finally leaving. Cold is leaving my body, and that's great. I'm starting to feel my power back, you know? My power back. Yeah. Alright, so I did tell y'all a little bit earlier that I was sick, right? So now I have some foods here that I would like to introduce to y'all and show y'all what you need to be eating when you're sick and have a bad cold like me. So what I'm looking at right now is I got tomatoes. There's some tomatoes in the plate. I got watermelon, lemon, mango, green apple, grapes, and mango, if I didn't say that again. So I'm gonna take some bites out of the mango, and it's cut up. They call this a fruit salad. Juicy. This is alkaline food right here. So you know it's gonna give your body enough nutrients to really combat the cold, fight it off. Oh yeah, here's some bite of the watermelon. Nice. Some lemon peels. Sour. Take a bite of the green apple. Crunchy. Grapes. So sweet. You know, everything here is like water based, so it's good for your body. So I'm here at one of my spots here called Munchies. Always, definitely one of my go-to spots. So for me, when I come here, I usually get chicken over rice with a fried salad, white sauce, barbecue sauce, or I do like sweet chili. I always choose one of the two. This spot right here, you can't go wrong with this spot right here. You get a lot of food. There's a bang for your buck. You're getting a good amount of serving size too. That's the thing I like about the serving size is good. Waiting for my food to come. Yeah, what's up, bro? Let me get a lamb over rice, then fries, salad, white sauce, and then you can add avocado to it. And then let me get a chicken over rice.
What sauce you want on the lamb?
The lamb? White sauce. White sauce for the lamb over rice.
Only white sauce?
Yeah.
Okay. And then a chicken over rice?
Chicken over rice. Let me get white sauce and barbecue sauce. And fried salad, avocado. So, see.
Anything else?
This will be it. Alright, appreciate it. Alright, that's good. Thank you. Yeah, this is the chicken over rice right here. This is what the chicken over rice is looking like from Halal Munchies. You see, you got a lot of food right there. They do a good combination. I give them that. They do a good combination of food. This is where it's at right there. Taking a break in the U-Haul. All right, so for all you cyclists and unicyclists out there, you know, you definitely need to incorporate this into your diet. Like I said before, like red onion, this is a must right here. You can't skip out on this. You can eat it raw, or you could cook it, but I would say eat it raw. 100% eat it raw. You got this, and you got this. The combination is gonna be crazy. I'm telling you. Listen, I'm a living example of the benefits of these things. All right. So you got 1, 2, and then you get some green apple. You get some green apples right here. So I bought a few things. If you watched the beginning of the video, you saw me shopping. I was showing y'all how I was shopping and buying certain fruits and stuff. So this is the green apple. So you want to incorporate this into the meal that you make. And you can come up with a lot of different crazy ideas with these, but I'm saying 1, 2, and 3. This 1, 2, this combination right here. Come on, it's gonna heal you. It's gonna fight off colds. It's gonna really provide you with enough antioxidants to fight off colds and to get rid of certain infections that may be living in your body. Also, it's just gonna correct your body. Literally, it's gonna, because it's alkaline, it's gonna cleanse your body, clean it out properly. And then also, you can't forget some cayenne pepper. You definitely want to put cayenne pepper. You want to let it be a part of your diet. In the meal plan that you do, you can make like shots. You can make teas with it. So if you get really creative with everything I'm mentioning, you can make either a tea from it. You can make a salad. You can make just like a platter like this. You know, like I got a bunch of stuff in there: grapes, oranges, watermelon, green apple, mango, lemon, tomatoes. You know, and don't forget about the tomatoes too. This is a big water-based, this is a fruit or vegetable, one of them. But I know this is good for you though, trust me, especially for men. Oh yeah. You need some oxygen. We'll get that lemon. Everything here though, it's gonna provide you with enough nutrients to really fight off colds. And then for the winter weather and this flu season, you're gonna need that to really be strong. So this is gonna help you. And with my cold that I'm fighting off right now, this has really been doing a good job, I could say for a fact. Juicy. I know some of y'all don't like tomatoes, but I'm telling y'all, eat your tomatoes. Eat your tomatoes. Eat your tomatoes. Oh yeah, also, can't forget ginger. Ginger's really, really good. This is a superfood. Really good for your body. Another cold fighter, cold buster, superfood to protect you and prevent viruses, diseases, all of that. And then you got garlic. This is nature food right here. This is one of the ancient foods. Been around for centuries of years that is made to really fight off colds, fight off diseases and all of that. I feel like I'm going down a rabbit hole, so we're gonna end it from here, but you know what I'm talking about, riders. Yeah, so don't skip these out. Don't skip these out. And when you use all those things, you're gonna get a nice concoction that's really gonna boost your immune system and boost your whole body overall to take on this cold weather that I'm fighting right now in the snow. I could barely move. But we're getting there though, we're getting there, you know? I am freezing in this weather. Gee, we got some fresh snow, straight from winter. I know a lot of y'all like getting to that bag, right? So, you know, you're gonna definitely need this to give you that booster, to really boost your immune system, to fight off all these foreign entities that really like to attack you while you're outside trying to make that money. So make sure you eat this up. This is gonna save you, so don't skip this out. Eat your grapes, eat your watermelons, your mangoes, your green apples, your lemons, your red onions, your red peppers and green peppers, your garlic, your ginger, And the list goes on. And your pineapples. Yeah, don't forget it, y'all. You gotta get to that money, trust me. Juicy. End it.